Welcome to BR Hyundai. My name is Alok. How are you doing, sir?
Good morning, Alok. My name is Farhan.
How can I help you, sir?
I was looking for the new i20 N line. It looked nice, so I just wanted an information for it.
Before we start, would you like to have some tea or coffee?
No, thank you so much.
Great. So, I would like to know, how did you come to know about this new i20 N line, sir?
I have seen the advertisement and hoardings for it. I am quite intrigued by it. So just
Great.
wanted a little bit more information about the model.
Sure, I'll be more than happy to give you the information. Now, if I start talking about the new i20 N line, this is for the first time that i20 N line has been introduced in India, or any of the N line has been introduced in India. Now, if I talk about the inspirations of the new i20 N line, this was born in Namyang, South Korea, and it was honed in Nürburgring, Germany. Now, it takes inspiration from the racetrack's curves from the mountains. Now, this car boasts of, a lot of features, like many first in segment features, many best in segment features, and this is a totally performance oriented car. And Hyundai is pleased to launch this into the Indian market for the first time. I would be elated to ask you for a test drive, sir, once our discussion is over.
Oh, surely. That will be very exciting.
Sir, could you please tell me about your specifications, like, or could you please help me with analyzing your needs in a better way? So, is there any specific model or variant you are looking forward to?
Not specifically. I am looking for an automatic transmission considering the day-to-day running traffic in the cities.
I completely understand that you are ready to sacrifice this control over the comfort. However, how does this sound to you that if I offer you a transmission which not only gives you the comfort of an automatic, but at the same time it offers you the control of the manual? How does that sound to you, sir?
Sounds wonderful. I always love the control in the manual transmission. However, I was ready to sacrifice it for the sake of comfort.
Now guess what? You don't have to sacrifice anything now, because this IMT transmission gives you the control of the manual and the comfort of the automatic. So as far as the sacrificing part was there, it is completely omitted now. How does that sound to you, sir?
That's absolutely fantastic.
Now if I talk about the engine power, it delivers, like it has a 1 liter turbo GDI engine which delivers a power of 120 PS and a whopping torque of 172 Nm. Isn't that nice, sir?
It's fantastic actually.
And sir, you would be thrilled to know that as per the internal testing data, this beautiful machine has the capacity to go from 0 to 100 in just 9.9 seconds.
Oh.
And that's an amazing figure. I'm pleased to know that the brief information about the car has got you thrilled. Now there are various financial plans available, and they range from 100% of the ex-showroom finance to 85% of the on-road, and the minimum rate of interest starts from 7.15%.
Sounds great. I think I would be going with the new IMT. My wife will be able to drive it very easily.
Absolutely, indeed.
Thanks for all the info, Alok. Would you be available tomorrow? I will be coming along with my wife tomorrow for the test drive.
Surely, sir. I will be available tomorrow. In fact, it would be great to have both of you, so that both of you can have the first-hand feel of this wonderful machine. So you can, I'll be there tomorrow. You can come along with your wife, and both of you can take a test drive, sir.
Thanks, Alok, for all the information. I shall see you tomorrow.
Absolutely, sir. I'll be waiting for you tomorrow. And thank you for your time and interest, sir. It was wonderful interacting with you, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much, sir. Namaste.